In today's video, I am going to teach you how to show Toolbar in Outlook email. If your toolbar has gone missing or keeps hiding itself, don't worry. I'll walk you through the quick fixes for both the classic Outlook desktop app and the new Outlook or web version, so you can get your tools back where you need them. First, let's cover the classic Outlook desktop app. The fastest way to show or hide the ribbon is with a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus F1 and the ribbon will instantly expand or collapse. If you prefer it to stay visible all the time, look to the top right corner of the Outlook window for the ribbon display options. Depending on your version, you'll see a small down arrow or an icon that looks like a rectangle with an up arrow. Click that, then choose Always Show Ribbon. This tells Outlook to keep the toolbar in view across all tabs. If your ribbon appears only when you click a tab like Home or View and then disappears again, it's likely set to collapse automatically. To fix that, click any tab name and uncheck Collapse the ribbon. The ribbon should now remain expanded as you navigate through Outlook. If you are specifically missing the small set of shortcut icons above the ribbon, the Quick Access toolbar, you can turn it back on. Go to File, then Options, then Quick Access Toolbar, and check Show Quick Access Toolbar. This gives you one click access to frequent commands and sits above or below the ribbon, depending on your preference. Now for new Outlook and the web app. On the far right of the top menu bar, click the downward arrow to open the ribbon options. Then go to the View tab and in the Layout section, select Ribbon. Here, choose between Classic Ribbon, which shows more icons, and the fuller toolbar, or Simplified Ribbon for a compact view. Pick the layout that matches how you like to work. Classic will feel most like the full toolbar experience, while Simplified saves space. Your selection applies immediately, so you can toggle and see what fits best. A quick tip: if you switch layouts or toggle the ribbon and don't see changes right away, click another tab and back again. Also, the Ctrl plus F1 toggle works in many Microsoft Office apps, so it's a handy shortcut to remember. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.